So of course the snow is nothing new for truckers that are out in this weather all the time, or for grocery stores which are preparing for potential delays on deliveries.
But with an already strained supply, this storm has really made a bigger impact than in years past. 9 News reporter Luis De Leon is live in Lakewood for us tonight. Luis?
Yeah, Kim, Kyle, we're near the corner of Alameda and Pierce, just down the road from Belmar Shopping Mall, where you can see roads right now. Just moments ago we were seeing a lot more traffic, but the roads are pretty much empty, but they are covered, as you can see, with snow. A lot of these sidewalks are also covered with snow, so remember those shoveling rules for 24 hours after a storm comes along. But as for supply chain, as if we don't talk about that enough, the Colorado Motor Carriers Association tells us that a storm like this now exacerbates supply chain issues a bit more. Now, that goes for when truck drivers are delayed because of the snow. That, of course, means they may not be able to finish their delivery since they're limited by the number of hours that they can drive. In many cases in the past, the association says that there were more drivers to fill that gap for these situations, but a heightened labor shortage from the pandemic, among other things, that means the fill-ins are simply not there. We spoke to Marsick's Fine Foods about this. They have a few spots in Denver. They say in their experience as a grocery store, a snowstorm like this, along with other problems with the supply chain, means the delivery can be pushed back from a whole day to a week on some products.
You know, anything that anything that would normally be something that we could absorb in our normal course of business, we're not absorbing anymore. The resilience in our supply chain is gone. And so we're seeing those things crack and fracture and become more challenging.
Motor Carriers Association also tells us that another issue is the lack of snowplow drivers out on the roads right now. It's an issue that we've reported on in the past as well. For example, even though truck drivers that are making those deliveries, they may see a cleared off highway from the snow, but they still have to make their way into these side streets into town and around the Denver metro to finish up that delivery, which of course can cause more delays, Kim.
Okay, this business ages you, but Luis, not quite like this in one night. All the silver, but get inside.
Well, you know, I mean, I will say I'm from Wisconsin. I'm pretty used to this now, but if it's any indication as to how much snow has fallen, just look at my hair.
We got it. Okay. All right. Yeah, you look and sound good, so you're tough. Thanks.